Alright, what we're doing is we're working on a 67 Land Rover. And the tailboard brackets are bent just a little bit. It got a little too much weight put on it in the past and it overextended, so we're gonna have to make this bracket over here match this one now. Get in there. Alright, we finally got these hinges worked out to where everything is smooth. Got some adjusting to do yet, but it's just coming together, man. Coming together. Far cry from the bins that were in it yesterday.
Alright guys, it's been a while since we sent you any videos of what's going on. We've mocked up most of the body of it. There's a couple little things. This door came from Land Rovers. We picked up the door, but it does not fit as well as the original door, so we took the skin off. What we have doing is it's sticking out right here, and this is on the top of the door right here. The other thing, we've lined a lot of things back up. One of the lines that isn't perfect is right here on the back, where this comes together here and to the side. Don't know how far you really, how far we want to go. We've gotten the top, we've gotten everything else we wanted to go over, and all the galvanized, we're ready to take all the galvanized back out. All these pieces here in the front windshield, if you strip them down and send them out to have them all re-galvanized. So I wanted to go over that with you, because that's all the original galvanized with paint on it and different things. So
explain what I'm doing, or keeping it quiet?
Keeping it quiet, but I think they kind of can see what you're up to.
this little Chinese wash boy. Watch this shit. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's on video. What's up? Watch it. I'll keep you all dry. Well, just really got to let it sit and burn out all the rubber. I've heated them up good, and they're rusted and bonded in between. The rubbers are so old and rotted. And then it has a steel sleeve through the center. And if you don't put enough grease and everything in there when you put them in, they just rot and they bind good. But it's all factory. It's been in there forever. We're just going to cherry red them, burn them out, and then we'll get the impact on them and get them out. I'm just tired.